Hey guys, this is Thursday's Math Notes. So today we're going to be working with 4 by 1 digit multiplication, which we should be able to do in a snap. And then we're going to be working with 3 by 2. That might take us a little bit longer, but we're going to get it, okay? Now, with the 4 by 1 digit number multiplication, you are going to very easily multiply. That's all we have to do. And since we're only dealing with one digit at the bottom as one of the factors, we are not going to be doing the whole, lining up all of our numbers down here for your partial product. You're not going to have any partial products because you're just going to have your answer. So let's get started. Start right here in your ones place. And we're going to go 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 0 is 0 because any number times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 4 is 16. So we have 16,408. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have 4,813 times 7. Once again, we start in the ones place. And we're going to go 7 times 3 is 21. Now, I cannot fit 21 in this. Well, I could probably fit it, but it's not supposed to be there. So I'm going to drop the number in the ones place and kick up the 2 because it's in the tens place. So now I'm going to go 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Then I add the 2. So 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9. All right? 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. So drop my 6, carry my 5. 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 5. It's like I'm waiting for somebody to answer the question, but they're not. Nobody's here. Okay, so you have 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. So 33,691. Okay, 6,412 times 3. Start my ones place. 3 times 2 is 6. So put my 6 down. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So drop my 2, kick up my 1. And then 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19. All right, now I have 7,555 times 2. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go 2 times 5 is 10. Drop my 0, kick up my 1. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Put my 1 down and I have to kick up the other one. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. All right, now 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, you see, it's just repetition, guys. It just takes time and it takes practice. Every single day, 15, 20 minutes, multiplication facts. That's all it takes. And it takes just getting into the pattern of doing this and making sure that you're regrouping and that you're adding the numbers in. So 7 times 7 is 49. So I drop my 9, kick up my 4. Okay. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. 7 times 8 is 56 plus 4 is 60. So I'm dropping a 0 because the 0 is the 1 in the ones place, and I'm kicking up the 6. 8 times 6 is 56. 56. 56 plus 6 is 64. Okay. That's right? 56, 57, 58. No, it's not. It's 62. I knew that looked wrong. I'm sorry. It's 62. Okay. I apologize. Okay, I have 5,954 times 4. That's another example why you use pencils. Okay, so I have 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, so put my 6 down there. Kick up my 1. Now, continue multiplying. 4 times 5 is 20, plus that 1 up there is 21. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. All right, then I have 46 times, oh, I don't. I have 4,658 times 2. So basically, we're just doubling it. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 2 times 6 is, wait, I did something wrong. Yes, I did. And then 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Okay, so same goes here. 2,337 times 8. I have 8 times 7 is 56. So drop my 6, kick up my 5. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. So drop my 9, kick up my 2. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. All this is, guys, is you're just multiplying. That's it. It's simple multiplication. So practice, practice, practice. Okay, I have 9,037 times 3. So 3 times 7 is 21. Drop my 1, kick up my 2. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. 3 times 0 is 0, because anything times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 3 times 9 is 27. 3,705 times 3. I have 3 times 5 is 15. Carry my 1. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 3 times 7 is 21, so I drop my 0, carry my 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. That's a lot of ones. 11,115. Okay, so I have 4,779 times 8. So I have 8 times 9 is 72. So I'm going to drop the 2, carry the 7. 8 times 7 is 56. 56 plus 7 is 63. So I'm going to drop my 3, kick up my 6. 8 times 7, once again, is 56. 56 plus 6, I've learned my lesson, is 62. So drop my 2, carry my 6. So I have 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 6 is 38. Okay. 5,922 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2, once again, is 4. 2 times 9 is 18. So I'm going to put my 8, kick up my 1. And then 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Now, I want you to complete the rest. I did half, you do half. Now, I know this is the notes video, but you should be able to do this. This is going to give you some practice. I will post the answers to this on Friday so we can check them, okay? Now, I'm going to have to do the video in 2 parts. So this is your first part of your video and notes. You'll have part 2 coming up in a little bit. Hope you'll have a good night and stay out of trouble.